Hello, can I speak to Atlanta? Don't hang up, don't hang up. This nigga too safe. I just wanted to let you know a little something. I know it's rough out there today. It's a little rough, wasn't it? I saw it. Yeah, I just want to let you know a little something. Okay, just let me want to let you know something. I'm a head deacon of every church. Listen, I want to tell you something. Today you did your best, but I guess your best wasn't good enough. Y'all still lost the king. We'll see you next time. We're still gonna whip that behind. No matter what you try to do, or even how you try to play. No, don't hang up on me. Listen here. I got a dance party I want you to come to. Huh? No, come on. You invited. All right, bye.